Hey there, Matt with 1T Fit and Finish, back here at the job site, ready to put some Kerdi-board and sheetrock up on the walls. Hopefully it'll be a quick video. We'll see. Stay tuned. The extension I added was about 1/8 of an inch too long in spots, so I trimmed it down before hanging the Kerdi-board and sheetrock. I straightened up the line on the existing sheetrock. This will make it easier to fit a piece next to it. Also, before I hang the walls, I'll trim the existing floor tile to accommodate the new curb. I used my 4.5-inch angle grinder with a Ruby Turbo Mesh diamond blade and vacuum. Holding the vacuum nozzle right behind the blade greatly reduces the dust. Although, occasionally the blade guard will get in the way and make a little mess. It's not bad though. It appears that the floor was originally put down with Schluter decoupling membrane. The tile adheres really well to it. I'm taking my time to gently pry out the cuts as to not chip the surrounding tile. So I'm going to cut my first piece of Kerdi-board to hang on this wall. I know that it's 4 feet wide. I know that this stud is plumb. So that 4 feet should put me out to about here. And it should fall right within the shim that we made. 1/2-inch Kerdi-board is very easy to cut with a basic utility knife. With the printed grid lines, you don't even need a straight edge. Schluter requires that you use these proprietary galvanized washers to hang Kerdi-board. They have little teeth that you push into the foam. Proper placement is every 12 inches along the studs. You drive the screws into the washers just deep enough to leave a little dimple in the foam. Here I'm transferring the measurements of the shower arm and mixing unit to make the cuts. To save a little time, I'm going to snap a chalk line and freehand the cut. And then I make a little mistake here. Drywall, sometimes you'll miss the stud. Don't worry about pulling that screw out, you're going to cause more trouble. Just take a hammer and tap the one that you missed in, and then you can fill right over top of it. One last little sliver here, and we got these walls pretty much put back together. The dimple bit helps. We've got the walls and the substrate all hung. I'll show you my mistake for today. I mismeasured my sheetrock and I cut it an inch off when I was doing the long cut after I snapped my blue chalk line. But we'll be able to fix that and I'll show you how. Got the substrate out, got the sheetrock up. Next step is going to be building the curb and the tray, and then waterproofing this substrate. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified for when the next video comes out. This is Matt with 1T Fit Finish. See you next time.